everyone in this room and all of you, each one of you, if you think about your childhood, that hard moment, the hardest moment, probably, what happened after that? You know, your hardest, your toughest, your craziest, your most embarrassing moment, what happened after that? You're still alive, I'm alive, we are all alive and we are here. You know, I want today to talk about this thing, that in our lives, in our living everyday living, in our going to offices, being entrepreneur, living our own life, family life, all kinds of life, we think that it's so tough, but think about the hardest moment. What does the hardest moment give you? What does it give you? What does it leave with you? खड़े हैं ना, यहाँ पे खड़े हैं, stage पे खड़े हैं, right? We are standing, we are strong, we are better, we are evolved, and we are very proud of that experience. We were not proud when that experience happened, but we are very, very proud that it happened. क्योंकि character है, we are alive and we are ourselves, right? My only request to all of you as I tell my story is that whenever anything bad happens, right, whenever anything hard happens, please, please think about it. Please live it. Please cherish those moments, because somewhere you'll be standing like me in your own lives, in your own moments, in your own houses, feeling very strong, very tall, and very happy. You know, some of us come as speakers, but somewhere my belief since childhood has been, and sounds very romantic and crazy, but has been that all of us, har ke andar is a very, very powerful story, right? Some of us get a chance to come here on stage, and some of you get a chance there to appreciate the story of people standing here, but all of us have such powerful, such unique stories. I want to share with you some of my stories, and I always openly share these stories because somewhere as a society, as people, we need to openly talk about stories. And kahin na kahin, all these stories shape up the people we are. So I'll tell you a very interesting story. I was just thinking on the way, what should I say? So one story I'll tell you. I was in standard 3, right? And I was a very lanky, innocent, I hope, in standard 3rd kid, right? And there was this dance competition. All of us in our schools, we have all these competitions, right? Like dance, music, this different kind. So there was this dancing competition. And I was extremely excited. Of course, as kids, we think we can do everything. And I was like, okay, I can dance really well. Like, and of course, Madhuri Dixit in Bihar that time was very famous. And I could say, oh, I could do Dhak Dhak as a kid. But the point was, in this dancing competition, you needed to have a partner. Okay, so we need to have a partner. So suddenly this amazing kid, right, my classmate, she comes and tells me, Shraddha, I choose you. You can be my partner, and both of us can compete in this dance competition. I was like, yes, I've got a partner, and both of us will do this dance. Now for this dancing competition, there was no practice, there was nothing. We just went on the stage because there was this enthusiasm of, you know, we'll be able to dance. And I just don't want to tell you guys what happened on the stage that day. Like, so I did not have the proper attire, clothes to wear for that competition. So my eldest sister, she used to study in Rajghat in that college where their PT uniform used to be white salwar kurta, right? So I thought कि TV पे तो देखा है, all these Kathak dancers and all these dancers have this white salwar kurta. तो मैंने पहन लिया white उसका PT uniform because I didn't have proper clothes for it. And I wore this white salwar kurta. And this other kid came in this amazing attire, very beautiful, and she was like a fairy. I was myself as a 3rd standard kid in love with that girl. Like so pretty, nicely dressed, beautiful. Ye pura bahut maza aaya. And then we both came on the stage. And it was a disaster. नहीं, हंसो मत. Disaster, बहुत ज़्यादा disaster. Because that baby kid was baby, right? Like big, roly-poly baby. And here I was like a lanky. We were Laurel Hardy. And we were just shaking the stage. Tap, 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 tap. And of course, we did not win any prize. We lost. We came, in fact, maybe in the bottom or whatever. But what I'm going to tell you now is interesting. So, दूसरे दिन, we were in this class. And my class teacher says, who is that shrewd, conniving, clever, manipulative girl? All these words I had never heard. You know, बहुत दिन बाद जिंदगी में समझ में आया इसका मतलब भी क्या होता है. Like, who is that girl who dared to make this talented girl lose? I was unaware there must be some girl. Not me. Can't be me. Then she said, oh, look at her. And she's extra smart. She's listening and she's ignoring it. I'm like, still it's not me. Then she says, you clever kid, come here. And again I'm looking, then she's like, you, Shraddha, come here. Like, on the, you know, the front where the teachers sit and next to her desk. And she took out a ruler, that brown ruler. She said, take out your hand, and she hit me, tuck. And I started crying. Felt very bad, very, very bad. Honestly, I didn't know the meaning, कुछ भी नहीं पता था. मगर रोने लगी, अभी भी सोच के रो लेती हूँ. Felt very bad. You know why I felt very bad? She said, you poor kids who come from all these poor families, don't have proper dress to wear, don't know how to dance. You, from childhood, all your parents and your family teaches you to be extra smart. This girl, she was the DM, district magistrate of Patna's, daughter. So you planned this whole thing to dance with her so that you could have your chance of winning. मैं shock में चली गई. Like, I don't know as a kid if it was shock or whatever, but I just thought that it was wrong. It was very, very wrong. What I did not have, of course, is proper clothing. मेरे पास attire नहीं थे, dress नहीं था. But what I had was lot of enthusiasm, lot of, love for this girl and everything. And this girl said, yes, ma'am, I lost because of her. This was completely her fault, this girl's fault. And that day, that was in 3rd standard. बहुत दुख हुआ. Somewhere I thought there was no need of involving my family, my poor parents, however poor or rich they were. There was no need of involving me and my morality and what kind of person I am, because standard 3rd में हम क्या हैं, right? क्या हैं? But one thing that stayed with me from that standard 3rd onwards was what? कि मैं अपनी story लिखूंगी, right? I will never ever give anyone a chance to say, wo clever kid, that poor kid. And I want to share that story because in standard 12th, when I was leaving, then all the teachers, my name came in the paper, I was like very acknowledged and I used to keep winning all awards and blah, blah. Then that teacher came and told me, Shraddha, you see, I told you when you were very young only, I could see a star in you. I'd corrected you then only. And I was like, yes, ma'am, yes. And I'm thankful. Out of all my teachers, I genuinely, totally, and very heartfully thanked her. Because agar she hadn't corrected me, she hadn't told me all those things. तो आज life में बहुत कुछ नहीं होता because your early days shape up. I started your story because in every entrepreneur, in every underdog, in everyone, I see myself in standard 3rd, right? जब कहते हैं कि यार इससे नहीं होगा, this company will not be able to raise fund, this entrepreneur से तो इससे तो होगा ही नहीं, ये वाला venture नहीं चलेगा. जब भी कोई कहता है that this will not happen, this entrepreneur cannot do, and this is not going to be $1 billion, my heart just loves that entrepreneur because that's me in 3rd standard, right? And there wouldn't have been your story. There wouldn't have been what I'm doing or what I'm experiencing if that 3rd standard wouldn't have happened to me. Also, moving forward, I want to tell one more quick story, and I hope I'm not taking time because these are very relevant. Socho, मतलब हम लोग सबकी life में these things are things which keep on happening. Yeah. Like I went after standard 12th. I am from Bihar. I think most of you know. I'm not even going to get into my tragic stories. It's all over the internet, you know. I don't want to repeat some of the tragedies that have happened in my life because my sister is sitting and she says that you don't have to bring out the scars all the time on stage. So I'm not going to do all those stuff. But it has been as hard, life has been as cruel, but I've chosen to smile and laugh. And if you want to hear all that and see all that, then please browse and you'll know those stories. But quickly wanted to say another thing which all of you in this room, especially young people, will relate. 12th standard May, after studying in Patna and feeling very good, went to Stephens, where you have to get crazy marks and get admitted. So I went there, and there's a debate, you know, there's a club, debating society, DebSoc. And I thought I could speak very well and all that, and I went because you had to get selected for that DebSoc, and I spoke and didn't get selected. They said, what? You don't know this Shakespearean style of debating, this style of debating, that style? I was like, debating is what is debating? You go on stage and you start speaking. They said, no, 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 no. You know, how come you're not aware of this? And I was like, my God, I am so good. ये मेरे स्कूल की गलती है, ये बिहार की गलती है, ये पटना की गलती है. They've not taught me the right way of debating. And that's why I have to suffer this humiliation. So I went in my summer vacation to my school. And I met my teacher, and I still remember Miss Rekha Srivastav. And I told her, ma'am, you know, in Patna, in Bihar, our school is not so good. She's like, why, Shraddha? I was like, you know, you don't teach us this kind of debating. We have so many limitations. We are not exposed to the right kind of things. We have so many, you know, things which we are not aware. In Delhi, you see, all these things, this kind of debating is happening. And I want to, you know, tell you what my teacher told me. She said, and I remember it till today, and I hope till my dying breath. She said, Shraddha, whatever you did not get, whatever you were deprived of, whatever you think is your lack, your constraint, whatever you think as a Bihari kid you were not given, will be your biggest strength. Right? She said, जो नहीं मिलता है ना, वही दौड़ाता है. Right? What you don't get is what makes you run. And I was very hungry, very thirsty, very desperate all my life, till today. Like I'm just always not looking at the constraint, but looking at the brightness. You know, in our lives, I didn't want to, क्या सरबन दूँ, क्या बोलूँ, क्या महानता कहूँ, because it's an experience. I still have the great fear of death. I still have a lot of mysteries to solve. But somewhere I think every day कि जिए तो दिल से जिए, right? And एक चीज़ में we all have to be very selfish. One thing I urge you, I am very selfish in one thing, and I want all of you to be very selfish. The biggest thing to be happy and successful, I'm giving it to you. Try it. And tell me if I'm bullshitting. Please come and tell me if I'm bullshitting. Is, जी जान से लोगों को help करो, right? Give. Like give. दो. ₹1 है तो उसमें से 50 पैसा दे दो. Like we don't need Ambani's, right? We don't need Bill Gates. किसी को कहना है कि I love you तो कह दो, right? And be it on Twitter, be it in reality, दिल से दो. And somewhere all the constraints, all the challenges कि नहीं है मेरे पास, नहीं है, वो ऐसे बन के भगवान देगा. Like, you know, I really have experienced this in my life. I could have been a story of tragedy, the tragedy queen I could have been, or I could be a very happy woman, standing and very, very happy, laughing at everything. I've chosen that. And by being selfish and giving to people, I think I've got a lot. I request all of you, please, do. नहीं मिलता है फिर भी दो. You'll see how it comes back. And to me, your story is not a venture I started. 7 years back, it is not कि कोई business है, कोई धंधा करना है इसलिए शुरू किया. Your story, no business model, no, nothing. There was no business model. It was ridiculous. When I came in Bangalore, सब कहते थे, how do you make money? Really? You make money? Acha, she's a woman, husband must be paying. का तो आसान है, husband must be making it, और it was like डे जॉब में क्या करती हूँ, like really, आगे नाइट में लेट नाइट felt very embarrassing यार, क्योंकि दिल से स्टार्टेड विथ लॉट ऑफ इमोशन की स्टोरी है. मेरा 3rd स्टैंडर्ड वाला बच्चा कह रहा है कि स्टोरी है सब में, विदाउट डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, विथ लॉट ऑफ लव, लेट्स राइट. बिजनेस मॉडल आई फिगर आउट, रेवेन्यू मॉडल आई फिगर आउट, मान थोड़ी रही हूँ कि दो, राइट, लिख रही हूँ स्टोरी. इट हैज बीन like all of you will experience in your own life, not easy, yeah. Not easy at all, not easy at all. But आज खड़ी हूँ, सीना तान के खड़ी हूँ, हैप्पीली खड़ी हूँ, and 7 years से खड़ी हूँ. दो next 7 years I will be standing, looking as smart, as happy, with yellow shirt and everything. Yeah. I'm just an example like all of us, right? So please, love yourself, love others, give. Life is magical. क्योंकि दुख तो मिलेगा ही, दुख तो है, निकलोगे यहाँ से दुख है, धूल है, सब है. The point is how you're going to live it. And please live it with lot of love, and I love all of you for listening to me. Thank you so much.